In this 21st century, the world has recently witnessed a very brutal, reckless, barbarian act of USA when they used their veto power against the resolution of Russia for the ceasefire. And all this happened, this is irony, all this happened in UNO, which is supposed to be the custodian of human rights and peace in the world. And to whom they are supporting? They are supporting Israel, who is well-known apartheid state, who has been involved in the dehumanization of Palestinians for the last 70 years in a very systematic and articulate manner. And yet, it is a sheer hypocrisy too, that they are saying we are not fighting with Palestinians, we are fighting with Hamas. And the world know and world have witnessed that they have ruined all the Gaza, and more than 5,000 people, innocent people, armless people have been died. How many Hamas fighters have been died? And are you calling this a war? Is there any equation between the armless Palestinians and the fully equipped Israel and backed by America and the allied countries? No, you are enjoying this war. When you say we don't want the ceasefire and you are continuing supporting Israel and you are continuing saying that no, there will be no ceasefire, what does it mean? It only means that you are enjoying the war, you are enjoying the bloodshed and the massacre of armless people. And you are also bombarding on hospitals. Can anyone imagine in this 21st century such barbarian and brutal and cruel act? Now, let me ask you one question, Mr. Biden and your allies. Do you believe in the day of resurrection? Do you believe in the day of judgment? You believe it or not? You won't be spared on that day, period. Inshallah.